Do you still love me?
Part of me still do.
It's either you do or you don't. Do you still love me?
But I'm with Mike.
I'm with Laura. Do you still love me?
Do you still love me?
God, yes. I do. From the moment I saw you, I knew you are the one for me. And it's never changed. The only question was if I am the one for you.
You used to be, but you messed everything up.
I did what I had to do.
You lied to me.
To protect you. If I have to lose you just to keep you safe, I'll do that over and over again because you mean everything to me. God, it terrifies me. Because I know no one else would ever make me feel the way you do. Because I will do everything for you. I love you so much. And I just wish that you could love me just the way I love you.